Hi everyone, my name is Shweta and I am from Lucknow. I teach biology online to students of classes 8, 9th and 10th, specially curated for the ICSE curriculum. So I am super excited to launch a free YouTube biology series for class 8th, starting with the topic transportation in plants. New videos every Monday and Thursday, full of visuals, simple explanations, and fun activities for to help you and fall in love with biology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a class. So let's make learning biology easy and exciting together. So let's begin with this. So this is all about me. So in transportation in plant, the vascular system, xylem and phloem. So we also call it conducting tissues. So the vascular system of higher plant is made up of two key components, xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for transporting water and minerals from the roots up to the leaves. Phloem carries the food produced by the leaves through photosynthesis. As we all know that we call leaves a kitchen. Why? Because the process of photosynthesis takes place in the leaves down to all other parts of the plant. So what is the work of the phloem? To transport the food which was prepared by the leaves. Now, this vascular network ensures that resources are distributed throughout the entire plant. That means up and down, root system as well as shoot system. So, the xylem and phloem tissues extend from root all the way up to the leaves, creating a comprehensive distribution system. This allows the plants to efficiently move water, nutrients, and food where they are needed. So, this is all about the vascular system and a summary of xylem and phloem. Now, we will come to the next slide. That is, first we will take up with a xylem tissue. So, what is xylem tissue? And how that transportation takes place through xylem tissue. So xylem tissue, that is, when we talk about the xylem tissue, it means water and mineral transport. Okay, so xylem tissue is responsible for transporting water and minerals throughout the plant. The main components of the xylem are xylem vessels, tracheids, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Tracheids are tubular cells with tapering ends, also thickened with lignin that helps transport water. Xylem vessels are long, cylindrical tubes with lignified walls that conduct water. Xylem fibers provide mechanical support and structure to the plant. Xylem parenchyma are the only living cell in the xylem tissue. Okay. Rest are dead cells. Parenchyma are the only living cells that store water, minerals, and carbohydrates. Now, together, these xylems components work so efficiently that the movement of water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves and the other parts of the plant takes very smoothly. So, together these, when I say together these, it means xylem component. What are the xylem components? Xylem vessel, tracheids, fibers, and parenchyma. And only the parenchyma is the living cell. Why? Because it has to store the water. So